How was the meeting with the president?
We came for consultation with the president and we have finished. So we have to go back to our meeting and then continue tomorrow. By tomorrow, we will get the outcome.
Okay. Are you still insisting on your protest?
If I'm insisting or I'm not insisting, I will communicate to you. It's not an organization that one person rules. Let's go back. Now you have a meeting of Labour and the Governors Forum. We'll go back to the drawing board and digest all that Mr. President said to us and move forward from there.
All right, thank you.
Consultation is going on. We were dialoguing. Like he said, at the end of the day, you know what you are supposed to know and what you want to know.
Okay, what do you think Nigerians should expect out of this?
Of course, we are here to serve the country. Both the Labour, the government, and the governed. We're all working service to the nation.
Citizens who are also members of NLC wanted to see Mr. President, and they've seen Mr. President. And of course, you know, they are happy they've seen Mr. President and they've had firsthand that at least the president has driven the economy out of the woods. So it's a very good news.